On the first day of Thriftmas, Refashionista Sheri gave to me a thrifted gift wrapped beautifully. I'm at the thrift shop hunting for a very specific gift request, and I think I just might be able to find it in this jumble of bags and wallets and purses, and I absolutely did. It was only $1.99, and it's in great condition, pretty much brand new, just a little bit dusty. So I'm grabbing a old soft sock, actually, and giving it a good wipe down, and now I'm going to shine it up with something from my shoe shine kit. These are the most fabulous little sponges. You get them at the dollar store. There's no color on them or anything, but they work perfectly to shine up leather and faux leather. And you can see how absolutely brand new this little wallet looks now. But I, of course, have to go into my big box of Christmas wrapping that I save after every Christmas morning. And I think I am finding the perfect wrapping. I have a little bag. I have a little box. The little bag, of course, needs ironing, though, and I actually think feminine hygiene products came in this, but it is absolutely perfect. And now I'm just going to dig in my tissue paper stash, wrap up that gorgeous wallet with the tissue paper to make it fancy looking, put it in the now dust bag for this wallet, and pop it in the box. You would never know this was $1.99 from the thrift shop, would you? Like, it's just gorgeous. And now we're going to top it off with some lovely ribbon, of course. And we need to go with this nice brocade green here with little embroidery all over it just to make it super extra fancy. And top it off with a nice big bow. And now, what do I have to do? Oh, yes, we must cut off the ends at an angle for extra fanciness, of course. And I'm sure everybody does this, saves their old Christmas cards for the tags and labels. And I also added an adorable ornament. Tune in tomorrow for the next episode in my 12 Days of Thriftmas.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.